This is Steve from the Celtic Farm with another short video on the gardening world. April brings new life to our gardens. It's a time of growth, renewal, and preparation. Welcome to your 3-minute guide to the April garden checklist. Let's make the most of this month's gardening opportunities. First, soil preparation. Clear any leftover winter debris and enrich the soil with compost or manure. And a well-prepared soil means a happy garden. Now it's planting time. Cool season crops like lettuce and peas can go straight into the ground. For warmer climates, it's time for tomatoes and peppers. Don't forget to refresh your container gardens too. Pruning is next. Trim away dead branches from shrubs and trees. Spring flowering plants should be pruned after they bloom. Lawn care is crucial. Rake to remove thatch, apply a high nitrogen fertilizer, and start your regular mowing schedule. Keep an eye out for pests and weeds. Early control is easier and more effective. Mulching helps retain moisture and suppress weeds. A layer around your plants will do wonders. Adjust your watering schedule as the weather warms up. Remember, deep and infrequent watering promotes strong root growth. Set up support structures now for plants that will need them, like climbing peas and tomatoes. Most importantly, take time to enjoy the beauty of your garden. From the vibrant tulips to the fragrant lilacs, your garden is a living artwork. April is a busy but rewarding time in the garden. Follow these steps and you're setting the stage for a vibrant season. Happy gardening.